All right, good morning. Trying to buy accounts this morning, and it's giving me a hard time, of course, on my funded futures. Kind of annoying. I couldn't tell if I bought accounts or not. Okay, it looks like they did go through. That happened yesterday. I ended up buying more accounts than I wanted to. I don't know why it does that sometimes. Good morning, Predator, Trev, Marson, Pip Hunter, Cofer. 450 is where we're headed, you think? Maybe. David White, how's it going? Good morning. We are going to be full sending the Apex evals here at Open. So, there's that. Let's see here. 5859 at 60. Okay. All right. And then we'll be trying to pass some my funded futures evaluations. So get that set up here. 58. 80, 40. I'm going to check the copier. All right, it's working. There we go. Okay, so we'll be hedging at open. 100% we'll be hedging. Good morning, Clarity, Donovan, Mad Moxie. Copra, I'm going to use Apex. I was having problems with buying something from, buying accounts from my funded futures, but I finally got it. We got Fed Chair Powell speaking at 10 a.m. Let's check out Mancini's numbers for now. Let's see. Good morning, Francis. I don't know if I said that to you. Plan today 66 to 70. Must push fast. We're below 66 right now. Must push past to get to 83, 93 plus. 83, 93 plus. Fells dipped to 52, 37. So we're already kind of below it. 52, 37. Okay. All right. Let's get this going. All right. 60. All right. Here we go. There we go. Good morning, Timbo. You want a full 450K Tradify account to pass? You're halfway through. Good luck, Coper. Hopefully you get it. Yeah, Coper. Coach, I'm leaning lower. I am leaning lower, Coper. Good morning, Coach Fred. I mean, I haven't marked anything out, but looking at the ES, the fact that it's already below 66, which was support, we're probably headed to this little flash wick from yesterday at open. If I had to guess, down into the 418s. I mean, that is a ways down there, I guess. But when you're looking at the higher time frame, I usually just look for the most obvious wicks. And that's kind of what we got here. I mean, that is the most obvious to me. But it is also like 300 points away, so maybe not. We don't have a whole lot holding us up here, though, to be honest. I mean, we could run through this pretty quickly. Probably could. This is previous day. Let's kind of see what... I guess we still got the Asia high up there, too. Somewhere in there. That's the Asia high, right? Just make sure. Indeed. It actually looks like a pretty good draw, too. Got a lot of wicks up here at like the 840 area. Let's look at the London high. Let's see here. Yep, so... kind of just right there. Yes, that's kind of what we're looking at today. I mean, right now, we kind of could push back up quickly, but I do think we're going to go down. Yeah, I loaded up Clarity. We're good. We got 10. I was hoping they'd reset mine and we'd have 20, but they didn't. Yeah, Cooper, I agree. So I'm going to wait until open to enter the trade this time, and like yesterday where I entered a little early. All right. Oh, my goodness. What up, Shiny Paladin? Horizon trades in the house. Let's see. See kind of what we get here at open. I'm gonna hedge, but man, I really like the short, to be honest. I really like the short. We'll hedge. I mean, if we pass 5, we pass 5. Yeah, we got them at 10 a.m. Eastern. John, I don't know. You're on the West Coast, probably. What up, Gold Chess Club? How's it going? Yeah, Trump at some point today. I don't really know when. I see Powell, 10 a.m. M. What up, Angel? How you doing? Good morning. Good morning. So we'll see how we do. We'll see how we go. That's all we can do. That's all we can do. So, I gotta make sure I'm on the right chart. Claudia, how's it going? Hedge, I'm going to send 5 long, 5 short. Full port, 10 minis, 61 ticks, hope to pass 5. That's what we're doing it. Good morning, Dean, Trader Monk in the house. So I got this one set up, 10 minis, 61 ticks, we'll go long. And then we got another chart set up with 61 ticks, 10 minis to go short. Got the copy trader on 5 and 5. That's what we're going to do. And the goal is to pass 5. We'll see. Yeah, it's the same prop firm. They're just evals, Claudia. There's no rules, so they don't care. It's with Apex. It's legal to do because you can fail them all like I did yesterday. Yesterday I failed all 10. Not guaranteed to pass, right? Because you only got 2,600 in drawdown and it's intraday trailing, and you need 3,000 to pass. So there's never a guarantee that you're going to pass, unfortunately. Wish there was a guarantee. That'd be nice. I wish there was. Oh, you didn't know it's possible to do? Yeah, you can. Not on a funded, but obviously not uncommon to fail in both directions. But have you ever left both orders and passed? Yes, I have one time, John. One time. Oh. Pro tip, if you watch the 30-second, 5-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour and 4 hour chart, you will always trade the 30-second. Oh. I do watch all those charts. I don't always structure my trade off those, but I do watch them. I do watch them. Yeah, Powell speaking at 10. We should have a market mover then. Whether or not we get anything before then, we'll see. Dun, 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 dun. I don't really know what's gonna. I don't really know what we'll get today. We'll see, kind of. At open. First things first, let's hedge these 10 and pass 5. Goodness. We failed 20? That sucks. I mean, at this rate, we're only going to pass 5 out of 20 anyway. That's pretty rough. I think I could have done better than that trading it, for sure. Probably could have got 8 or 9 just trading it. But, you know, you can get 61 ticks fairly easily if you just wait, if you're patient and go for the setups. If we fail these today, then that's probably what we do. We probably just do the do that there and be done with it. So no patient, full port at the open only. That's right, Marson. That's the problem. That's the problem. All right, what do we got? How many minutes? 3 minutes until open? I really think, I mean, I almost want to just short all 10, to be honest, but I almost want to just short all 10, but we need those Hungarian pesos. We need them. Good morning, Rob. Good morning. Good morning. I mean, I think a push back up into the 66, maybe even 70 area there on the ES. Like, we could sweep maybe this high at open. Could maybe grab that and then sell back down. So, hedging's the right play. We'll see. So, S4 down to 575, good target. Pivot down there, fish lips. Green kicker, green doji isn't a good start for shorts. It might rip down, but not starting out good. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I mean, I think we rip up. Maybe at open, take out the 730s. Some sort of a push. And then we will maybe push down. We'll see. We shall see. Top of the range here. I almost want to get in now, to be honest. But excuse me. Good morning, Yuri. I'll see Faye. You think we rip up too, but then fell. We don't know. Well, I'm going to try to be patient until Powell speaks, but I don't know. If there's something obvious, we'll take it. I mean, I guess what I could do, I could long one if I think it's going to go up at open. And then wait. I mean, that's the problem with that. Book map showing 715 has orders. Trump might tilt. Yeah, we'll see. Good morning, Tom. How's it going? Good morning. I guess I could set one above and below and see how that works. I've never tried that, though, so I don't really know. We're just going to long and short and hope for the best. I'll pull this one over so you guys can see this one at least. I think this one will be the one we long. And problem is we do have a pivot there. 720. What other market's going to go? Yeah, we'll see. All right, we got, all right, 1 minute here till open. Pivot point at 719. I'm going to go ahead and get in now, I think. Actually, I'll wait for like maybe 10 seconds before. I wanted to be able to get out before the pivot, so that would kind of mean I would need to get in now. But you can't worry so much about it there. Check Google Maps. Yeah. All right. I'm along. Holy cow. Why is it on both screens? Oh, man. Am I on the wrong one over here? 424. Where's the other one? Oh, gosh, guys. This is not going to be good. All right, well, maybe we just pass. Come on, go. I can't hedge. I got it set. I got the copier set up wrong. Go. Rip it. Get through the pivot. Let's go. So I did not get to hedge. I set the copier up wrong. I might have put all the accounts on one copier. Did I do that? There's no way I did that. 429. No. I had them both on the same account. All right. Both on the same account. Oops. All right. Well, we passed 5 and we didn't hedge, so let's go. Now we still got 5 more that we can pass. So we'll send those 5. Yeah, great trade. So what up, Nathan? Philcos, Canada's 51st state. I don't know about that. Oh boy, how's it going? There we go. We passed 5 there. Interesting. ES hitting the VWAP. We didn't run that liquidity there yet. So the idea of the push was correct. ES pushing above the VWAP there. Yeah, we passed by $10. All right, we passed 5. Don't knock the hedge. It's risky too. It is. I'm telling you. Now I got 5 more that we can. I'll take the first trade setup on those and see if we can't pass those. Maybe we'll go 10. We'll see. Maybe we'll end up passing all 10 to make up for yesterday. ES at the VWAP here. It'd be nice to pass them all. That'd be really nice, but are we going for the overnight high 790s? Kind of looks like that might be what we're doing. So I just jump in long above the VWAP here or short? I don't know. Close above the VWAP. Do we jump in long on these evals? You gonna check it out for a bit and see? Yeah, I mean, I would wait for sure on any kind of trades. Don't get too crazy. I might just jump in long here. Retest of the 45, so we may jump in long. And just hope it holds and goes. I'm going to put an order in at 44. 40. Put an order in at 45 for long. Right, let's make sure we are on the right accounts here. Where's the copier? Oh, there it is. 5, yeah. This should be the ones that these have not taken a trade, right? Nope. So got a resting order sitting in at the VWAP, basically. 823 is your target. I mean, I think we can. It seems as though we're going to continue up here. We probably have a better idea in the next 2 minutes, but if we can get tagged in here on these little VWAP retrace touch, will be nice. Still pushing. Doesn't look like we're even going to get. Not even going to get a retrace here. Any hairy bulls? Hairy bulls here? I don't think so. 70-90s resistance. Yeah, it's pushing right up into the 80. I just want a little bounce off the VWAPs. Just give me a VWAP bounce. Give us a little VWAP bounce. We'll be okay with that. We don't need much. A little 15-point stabber. Get that 9 up into that VWAP area too. Nice. Let's see if we can actually get a pullback. Zero expectation is bullish push, yeah. I have the info, but I can't tell you, Trev. If I told you, I'd have to kill you. You know? That's his new username. Could be. I kind of want to just jump in here, guys. I'm not going to lie. I'm going to try it here. I'm going to give it one candle, basically. And I'm going to go stop to break even pretty quickly here. I don't think it's too unreasonable. Oh, come on. Was up a bit there. Should have just took it. I can tell you, but you need a cut. Yeah, of course. See if we can rip through the 97s here. Come on, go. Go. I want to see it rip through there. It may not. I think it should, though. Get through there. You want to rip through that. Let's go now. Go. Nah. Yeah, I probably should have just taken the few points there. I thought I was going to run right through there, though. I really did. I should have maybe waited for the 9 touch. I am moving my entry up to the 9 there on the other one. Dude, come on. You really going to do me that way? Guess it is. Come back, stop me out, and then rip. Ripper! Bed crappage. 90 is a ton of spot. Yeah. Yeah, it is, Trev. I just thought it was... I thought we'd get through that 97 there pretty quickly. And we didn't. So... Still going to take the 9 bounce if we get it. Kind of want to see that run through 816. And then I'll do, probably still do 2 here. We'll take 1 off there. So let's see if we can get tagged in here. Let's see if this thing will hold. No money yet, Andy. Well, we did pass 5 evals. So let's see. We did pass 5. 5 evals passed. Looking for a little 9 bounce here off that 70 area. All right, tagged in. Let's see if it just goes. That certainly would be nice if it would just go. Be nice to me today. We need the 85.50 to pass the evals, the other 5. We're in on all the evals here too. So we need 85.50 to pass those. At least get through the 85s here would be nice. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Come on, get her through the 80s. Got to get through the 80s here. Come on, let's go. Go break even here on these. They have to just go here. Obviously, the other one's no break evens. We just got to go. Come on, go. Rip it. David, we're long. What up, Black Beauty? Come on, go. Get through there. I want to pass these evals. We need 85.50 to pass the evals. And obviously I want to make money here too. Come on, give us the 85.50s at least. Give us something. Come on, man. Let's go. Rip it up. I'm going to take my money here. I don't like how it's not going yet. But we need it to get through the 85.50s. Otherwise, we're going to be in trouble over here on this other one. Ding, ding, ding. Passed all 10. Let's go. All right. I'm okay with losing out over here. It's fine. It's fine. So we'll activate those 10, have those ready to rock tomorrow. 10 50Ks through Apex. 10 50Ks locked and loaded. Thank you, thank you. Half the gap was filled when this opened. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe I should have left this one on too. It would have been obviously probably going to end up being a winner since we took it off. But I had it at break even. I don't know that it would have stopped us out. I don't think it would have. I think we were long down here 69. Yeah. Would not have got stopped out. It would be making some nice dough right now. Yeah, I went to the 50Ks, Andy, to give myself a little more room. Locked and loaded, that's right. Ready to go, ready to go. I feel bad that I closed the trade, though, over here, though. I should have left that open. Darn it. Gap fill is 620. Yeah, we still might. I mean, here's the thing. Got the overnight high sitting up there. 816. We may just run that and then go back lower. What happened to the 20? We blew them room. Where you been? And it was all I don't know, let me pick somebody. Somebody in the chat's fault. Wasn't my fault. Not I had zero responsibility. Nothing. Not on me. Zero responsibility. It was all a dream, yeah. Yeah, well, it's $125 gold chest for a lifetime. It was all Andy's fault, yeah. Trev hacked the account and blew him. He did. He did. I didn't call the cops or anything or get the Apex police on him. No, I just tilted room on Friday. I took a loser of $200. Following my rules, I should have just shut it down, and I did not. So, what up, Pine Tree? What up? Smash that like button, says Josh. Let's go. Man, do I? might. I'm thinking about jumping back in long here, but it's very risky. If you were here, it wouldn't have happened. Maybe. Where were you? Yeah, no, they have the 85 monthly. I think so, Gold Chest Club. You sent me the shirtless pic and DoorDashed you some Texas Roadhouse, so we're square. If only I had DoorDash here, we'd be square. You don't get DoorDash here. This is called the country. We don't get the DoorDash in the country. Let me put some TPs on here. Let's go 25. And we'll stop loss like 25. I'm thinking of taking another little 9 bounce here. I think that we still go with just a small risk. Maybe just take a little scalp here. There we go. Quick little $125. We are still in the red on these today. I took a losing trade pre-market that should have been break even. I panicked and closed it because I was in too many. And I don't know why I did that. I was actually up 14 or 15 points on it after I re-entered, and I didn't take it off. So we are down like $500, but it's fine. Sub to your channel? Yeah, of course. Am I not subbed? Jumping in will blow the candles like Zero Day J. Yeah. What a bash. Let's see. Am I not? Let me see. Channel. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Where's your channel at? Ash. Is it Ash EVZ? EVZ. Oh, are you live right now, Ash? Ash is currently long off the 740, still holding strong. Nice job, man. You see it going higher? I think so too, Max. So he's long at 840. Is that 2 mics? Yeah, 2 mics. No, that's not 840. 740. 740. I don't know why I said 840. Nice job. It's a great entry. You're targeting 894. That's quite a ways up. Only half the quarter of the time, the 10th, you say we're short. Me too, I'm wrong. 12/17ths of a time. Coming up on the macro, and also 10 minutes before Papa Pow. Uh-oh, DA's over there taking trades on vacation, $195. He couldn't take it anymore. He had to take a trade. Looks like a double top. Kind of. A little lower high here. I mean, I expect kind of a reclaim of the 9 to close above. I might take that. I think that's reasonable. mean, theoretically, maybe pull back into that VWAP area would be nice. I may stab here if we close above. Don't close above, I'm not going to. Ideally, more ideal would probably be something like, you know, maybe we get something off there. But you got Papa Powell speaking here in a few minutes, so. Powell with a cig dangling out of his mouth, brown corduroys playing hacky sack. You may be. You could be right. Trying to be patient on the 9 here. I don't want to just jump in. I want to see a clean close above and then maybe a little retrace and a go. Ideally, though, I mean, the better, the more higher probability setup is a pullback. Maybe even to the 730 areas. But may not get it. Definitely a little bull flag. 100 points up and dead. What's wrong with NQ? Waiting on Powell, I think. All right, so something like that. And then you take a little retest bounce. So let's see if we can get a little retest bounce here without making a new high. Come on. A little bounce. A little retest. Do I just take the 125 if we get... Nope. Look at that. Blast off. Never mind. Never mind. Kid Poker in the house. We have a gap down to field start 6088. Yeah, Bull Bear. Creating the Sabo box, probably. A little bit of a Sabo box. Little bit of a Sabo box. How's it going, Anna? Now we did double top there on the ES. Didn't really make a new high. Do I take this if we get a pullback? All right, we'll try it. Definitely not the first entry. Oh, you're doing bad, Anna? Plus 130 on that jump. Let's go, Marson. Apex hooked me up, reset my huge loss yesterday. Nice, Kid Poker. They didn't do mine. They didn't give me my evals back. They said, go pound sand on your evals, bud. But I'm glad they reset you. Yeah, Powell here in 10 o'clock, less than 10 minutes, so. That's what I was wondering. Should I like target this if I get tagged in? Are these equal lows down here? I don't think they are. No. Off a little 9 play here. It's not the first 9 play. That's kind of the scary part. We have been kind of holding it nicely. And I don't mind it being in that 90 area. That's typically a little area of support around that whole number. Will either be quick death or a nice bounce. So I guess we'll go break even here at 97. If we get back to 97. That would have normally been about where our target would have been. So we'll go break even there. Yeah, not going to get it. Doesn't look like. Come on, rip it back up. Back up. Up you shall go. I command thee. That isn't like that. Please? Is it like please? Oh, man. Might have went to the well one too many times here. Good thing it's only 6 points. Go, 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 go. Started blowing, it started going up. Come on. I knew it was going to happen. Barley Barnes is ATL on the fourth. What is that, Dr. M? That's a circuit. Barley Barnes. It's a circus? It overclocked. Oh, luckily it was just, I mean, it's just 6 points, right? Barnum and Bailey or Barley Barnes Circus. Oh, did I miss a short here? Yeah, I guess I kind of did, but probably just break even. Oh, okay, I got you, Dr. M. I tried it. It didn't happen. Anybody know what the max position size on Elite Trader Funding 100K static account is? What's the max position sizing? Because I know they'll let you go over and then blow your account. I have no idea what the max sizing is. Not that I was going to use it. Asking for a friend. Asking for a friend. Oh. You guys know. You already know. Because they'll let you go over the max sizing, I think. And then fail you. And then blow your account. Do I stab here again? It's kind of the same setup. But we didn't get it earlier. Because it never came back to the 9. Kind of like it's about to do there. Now it's going to come back to the 9 and stop me out. We'll add 1 if it does it. Let's do that. Can we spike here? Is the top of the hour coming up? 3 minutes. Right, back to the 9. All right, now I'm going to add a second one. DCA fixes everything from what I understand. And we're going to add a third here too. I've been told DCA fixes everything. I think Design Knob told me that. Design Knob said that to me. He said, hey man, if you're in trouble, just DCA. Design, what the heck, man? That's good for smart TVs. You found Samsung TV remote. Oh. Yes, Bull Bear, I am human. Oh, what happened here? Let's go. Did we bounce? I wasn't even looking. I thought the beeps were stopping us out. But we bounced. Let's go. Rip it through the highs. Let's go 816. Give up 90. We might could. eBay sale. Save for eBay sale and Circus. Dr. M, I have no idea what you're talking about, brother. I have no clue. He's talking about a remote for a Samsung TV in the service. A Circus. I'm lost. Dr. M, I'm lost. Never question the power of DCA. That's right. You see it right there. Live in real time. We're kind of barcoding and chopping here, to be honest. Barcoding and chopping. Was that top of the hour? It was. Oh, that's also, yeah, this is Powell too. Powell. He ran the 816 there quickly. He's going to be in front of the Senate. Yeah, he's testifying. ES bounced off the VWAP. Direct bounce off the VWAP there in that 70. ES really hadn't moved all that much. Nasdaq pulled back into the 50 there. Can you trade news on Take Profit Trader? In an eval, you can. You're clean, Dr. M? I got you. Nice. Looks like we're going to run back to that 820. I don't know, though. 10-point stop there. I kind of want to jump in here for the run of this wick. But, you know, stops a little bit on the wide side. 6 points not going to get it done, probably. Not going to get it done with the 6-pointers. Covered your loss. Let's go, trading mints. Does this count on news on Apex? I don't think so. I think it's fine to trade it. I mean, it is 3-star, but it's not like, you know, you can't pin it down to like a certain amount of time or whatever, right? The megaphone. The counted news will be tomorrow, yeah. I think, you can trade news, John. Yeah, I think so. It's just, you can't, like, have a huge windfall or be, as long as it's your normal kind of strategy, then yeah. Watching price here to see what happens. We're right here at this whole number. I'm thinking about a little bounce play here again. It either works or it doesn't. Kind of got the whole number there. You got the 9. You can kind of see if we get a little bounce off this area. Not looking for much here, just a little bouncy bounce. Don't love where my stop is. I want to actually move it down a little bit. I may actually add to this too. I'd like to get a little runner going because we could just get a spike back through the highs here quickly. So I'll put my stop down there. I think that's reasonable. If it stops me out, not a big deal. That means we just might be going for this wick. But I'm going to put my take profit up here at like the 830s. And, yeah, got stopped out. That's all right. Didn't really run that high, though. 10 accounts long and 10 accounts short. Let's go, Raul. Get her done. Get her done. Anybody find out what the max of the position sizing was? I don't know if I'm gonna. I don't know. Yes, approaching the VWAP here. Yes, is approaching the VWAPs. Let's change these take profits and stuff. I don't like having it that tight. What up, that one Busa guy? Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Oh. ES at the VWAP here, back to the 70. Is it going to hold there? I don't know. Is the ES going to hold there? ES ran the low there. The data low. Yeah, nothing wrong with being hands off, Horizon. Nothing wrong at all there. Let's see if the Nasdaq wants to run that data low. I don't know. It doesn't seem like it's going to. Should probably, to be safe, you wait for one or the other to get taken. ES did take the low out, but it seems like it wants to push lower. I don't know. So ES below the VWAP there, retesting it from the bottom side. Let's see if it holds. Does it hold below or not? Pushing back below here. Let's see if it wants to push. Who knows? Push down. Take out the 760s. It's going to be an all-day event. Is it? You think so? The Powell thing's going to be all day? Looks like we're heading for that data low. Let's see. We just got to get through the 50 there. VWAP right there at the 58s too. So bouncing off the 50 there. Got that data low sitting there at the 60. Kind of feels like we'll take that out, but you don't really know. Bouncing back up to the 85s. Oh, they're asking him questions all day. Yes, made it back above. Made it back above the VWAP there. So bounce off the 50 EMA real there. The first test of the 50 there. All right, ripping up higher here. Not doing anything. Powell's just sitting there listening. Yeah, I should probably pull it up. I don't have it pulled up, so. Ugh. Kind of looking like it wants to pull back now. Hard to know here what it's going to do, to be honest. Yeah, it's right back to the VWAP. 5 minutes, we rip 30-point range after. He was hoping for a push and flush instead of push and death. Yeah. It's not really doing anything here. I mean, until it takes one side or the other, it kind of don't really know 100% which way it's going to go. We're really in a range here. The play might be just waiting for the data low to be swept and take this bounce off the VWAP here. The bounce off the VWAP. Do we look for something like this? I don't know. What do you think? Would kind of rather this take this level out first as opposed to this level. $60 to $17 in the last 40 minutes. Oh, let me look at something. I'm curious about something. Let me see. No. Let's see if we get a little VWAP bouncy. Trying to get to day open. Yeah. Not really moving much at all here. Just kind of chopping around. You get trapped. I don't know, Kid Poker. It's tough to trade this, man. It's between this data high and data low. It's tough to know which way it's going to go. I mean, I think that this is a logical bounce spot to me. I mean, even if we fib it, you know, that's right around 50% of the range. You got VWAP. You got a data low. So I would prefer us to leave the data high. Let's pull back. Boom. Bounce off the 50% of the range and go. I don't know. We'll see. Testimony until 12 to 1. Yeah, it may not be a great day to trade. All right, looks like we're just going to go to the moon here. Let's see if we can get through that data high here. If we get through that data high, we may just run straight to 840. ES ran the data low. Not sure. $7.96. What's that? Let's just wait and see what happens. What are you in, short, Kid Poker? And the good news is, are you short ES or Nasdaq, though? Testing the whole number here, a little psych level. Got that EMA sitting there. I don't know. I was trying to think like whether I thought ES would come back down. I have no idea. To be honest, no idea. All right, if we get back above 8, that wick there at 810, I think we can probably go. Maybe we can see some movement there. Run through that data. All right, there we go. Come on. Push it on through there. You got it. You want the data high there. Going for it. Go for the data high, brother. If we can just get through that data high there, we should be able to rip here a little bit. 8:19. What time is it? All right, see if it rips through there now. Might just see a wick through there. $8.32. Your tomatoes taste like poop. Yeah, Kid Poker. I don't know if it's going to go down right now, man. If anything, it's going to at least run that 80 level, especially on the ES. And then beyond that, I don't really know. Maybe he runs the 80 and then it comes back. You would think. Oh. I took that off. I forgot I even had that on there. If it never fails to do the opposite to your plan, then you should never fail to win. True. $50 away from payout. Well, it's all right, Kid Poker. It's very early. Keep a very tight leash on that. Very tight leash. NQs needs to clear 832, then dump. Yeah, that's what I'm... Well, 839, we got a lot of equal highs up there, too. What up, Robert? Good morning. Powell speaking. Man, do I take a VWAP bounce here? I mean, it's kind of risky, but it could pay. I mean, that could pay. It's risking 15 points. Looks like a bear flag. It's hard to know. I mean, yeah, if you zoom out, sorta, but we got to run. You're going to run probably both of these, so that's true, Marson. Scroll out and squint your eyes. I can't see it. I need some glasses. I'm going to run to the bathroom right quick. You guys babysit this limit order I got sitting there. I'll be right back. Anything happen? Anything happen? Not much. Yeah, we're pushing there, but trying to anyway. It looks like it wants to go, but pulling back to the 800s. It's trying to go, but it's just not getting there. Kind of watching. So back above that 16 area, if we can get them connected, and we're reconnected. All right. Boom, big candle there. Took the high out there. Did we go to the 39? If you're green, yeah. I mean, it doesn't matter if the profits are small, Cooper. I'd probably stop. So it's one of those things. I think we probably go to the 39s now. We'll see. Yes, didn't quite get to the data high yet. Holding up there. Pushed into the 26s. ES still didn't run the data high there. It looks like it's making its way there, though. It's making its way. 832 overall. Oh, that's the gap fill. I just see we got all these like relative equal highs right here at the 39 area. That's all. I was just thinking that we'd hit that. Green dots for the win. You know what, Oracle? I'm about to pull up the green dots. I had Ash pulled up. Is he still on? Ash is still on. He is. I don't know if he covered. It looks like maybe he covered and got back in. Stop at break even, so good call there. Previous day high up there at 893 he has marked out. Okay, nice. Hey, Oracle, I was going to ask you, I saw a Instagram post. I was going to DM you and ask you about it. I didn't know if it was you or not. I found someone on DM on Instagram. I thought it was you. I'm not sure if you have Instagram. If it was you, if it is you, it must have been some years ago because your voice, it sounds similar to you, but not like, it's not 100% that I think it's you. Do you have an Instagram, Trader Oracle? Nice job, Ash. Nice job. All right, Cooper. Nice job. There's the 839. Again, I was looking for the pullback into the VWAP to kind of take the trade to there, but never got it. That's quite all right. This is actually best for you, I think, Kid Poker. I don't like that we took the data low on the ES, so that's a little scary, but do think we could get a pullback here or short. CPI tomorrow 8:30, maybe. We'll check it out, Kofer. We'll probably jump on. And we do have a 1 minute potential short here. We have the data low sitting down here at the VWAP. Dun, dun, dun. It only goes up for sure. Looks like it. You like a doggy position? Woof, woof. Okay. Okay. ES also tapped into the 8250, almost to the 83s, which is the next level up there on the ES. Pushing up. Okay. We got initial balance set here. Oh, you took a nice short. Nice. How many times we reject the initial balance high? Although we did just close right at it. It's one of those ones where, like, you look at it in hindsight and you're like, Little triple top on the ES. Little triple top. Still holding that 9 for now. Max is barking. I actually kind of feel like we get one more leg up and then go down. But we'll see. Let's see what happens. Even considering kind of taking along here. But I mean, this could just push through here. I don't know. In a tricky spot here. If we push through this quickly, then the short probably makes more sense up here. But I do think we're very bullish. Just DCA, yeah. We could. Very risky here. I'm going to take it anyway. If it closes through here, then obviously we'll just take short. Yeah, I agree, Trev, sort of, that this is a good spot to turn down. But I do think one more manipulation leg kind of makes sense. But we could be wrong. For sure. For sure. For sure. Yep, that's not the look we wanted. But it's the look we got. This needs to stay above the midpoint of this gap. Otherwise, I'm just going to get out. All right, I'm going to kill it. I don't like... I don't even care if it goes higher. It's fine. Of course it would. This is going to be rude. Rude! You want to push up from the CE of the 5-minute gap we're in. Gosh, that's annoying. I don't know why I did that. Yes, did not make a new high there either. Not really doing anything here, is it? Aside from just taking my money. Rude. Rude. I still think it makes another high here. I kind of feel that way. Now we have an SMT. ES broke the high. Nasdaq did not. Do we fight the SMT or do we just short here and put the stop at the top? I mean, does the short make more sense or the long here? I still feel like we get that one more push, but maybe the short does make more sense. I don't really normally do that, but it could. The risk to reward is not bad, not bad. Normally I would always long here, as I was long a minute ago. But there is, I think there's something to the fact that, you know, you just put your stop above the high here and see if this thing can go. See if we can get the data low down here or not. Stop to break even at 816. I think this is completely reasonable. Not how I normally trade, but I'm going to give it a shot. Just needs to stay bullish for the next hour. Danny Trades got caught faking trades for Family Futures prop firm. Another one bites the dust. I mean, I don't know if that's shocking, but he's made money before. So we'll see kind of what happens. So let's see here. I think it's reasonable here. I mean, if we get stopped, we get stopped. I don't know. Normally I'd wait for us to get through this gap and then short, but let's see what happens. Dun, dun. Nothing wrong with it there, Trev. Nothing wrong with it. I am too. I don't love that the ES is above initial balance here, but as long as there's an SMT here, we'll hold. Obviously, if it breaks the SMT, we're out. We are stopped. Still kind of holding that 9. J.D. Vance in France, Trump talking to Putin and Zelensky. Something is cooking. 839 pop or 24 drop. Yeah. Would like to get above the current high so that I can move my stop loss higher. Yeah. Could be impeccable. We'll see. I mean, if we pop initial balance here, then I'm certainly going to get stopped. It's kind of my line in the sand there. So much liquidity down, super juicy. I'll go popping this up. Elevator will be fun. Yeah, I'd like the elevator now, though. Trev. ES holding above the initial balance there. It's not a good look for the short here. We'll see. It did run up to that level at 83, though. We need some sort of bearish reaction off there. So far, it doesn't look like we're going to get it. So I think I'm going to get stopped here. Stopped out. All right. Looks like we're just going higher. Higher it is. I don't know. I decided to go off the off how I normally trade there. And normally I'm like, I normally would have kind of been looking for a long there. I don't think I would have held it through that mess, but figure we'd give it a stab. Why not? I did go long, Treff, but then I switched short. Boink, the comma. Did it? Let me see. I got you pulled up over here, but I didn't even see it. Yeah, I did pull back into the comma. I didn't even see that. Your neighbor visited you today with his new bongo bong. We might blow this account today, guys. We might just do it. No, I don't sell custom bongs. Yeah, longing and premium. I tried not to. I don't normally short the short like that, but I figure why not? We'll give it a try. $70.80 we blow again. I think we push continue up here. There's no, it doesn't look like there's any reason we should go down at this point. It's probably just going to keep grinding up. Want to control 867, previous day high incoming. It looks like it, Ash. I see you got that marked out over here. What do you got it marked out at? 967 and 893. All right, see if we get tagged in here on this. I'm going to move this up just to make sure I get tagged in if we get pulled back here. Oh, yeah, I don't think we're reversing. ES cleared that 83 with no problem. It's kind of like established itself above there, so it feels like it's just going to keep going. Your humble doggy opinion, 50-50. 50-50. It looks like more like 100%. Tough day today, to be honest. Unless you just got long at open and held. If you got long at open and just held, then yeah. Hit that point of control there, kind of rejected, huh? Got in 21.783. Let's go, impeccable. Nice job. I want to see a pullback here so I can get in, but not getting it so far. Anybody know how many minis you can take? I don't even know. $100. Can't take 100. 1,000. Oh. As soon as I buy one, it's just going to rip lower. You know that. Hopefully not Kid Poker. I mean, I don't see a reason for it to go down, to be honest, but... I tried the short 2 Kid Poker. It didn't work for me either. Ugh, I might blow up today, too. And it's for multiple trades, not just being stuck in one. So... Got so many lines on my chart, I don't even know which one I'm tagged in on, which one I'm not. Oh, this is the this is those $26 Elite Trader funding ones that I said I was going to be aggressive. We're being aggressive there, Andy. If we smoke them, we smoke them. No big deal. All right, see if we just get a push here into the 90. Yes, approaching that 93 next level up. Gotta be careful there. Mostly the green stuff. Nice. I'll pull those orders back to like 50. If we get tagged in on them, we get tagged in on them. Yes, they are, Andy. Short at the end of this 1 hour candle might be my play. What do we got? 5 more minutes? Can we run into the previous day high in the next 5 minutes? It's possible. Well, we're in the red right now, Andy, so it's no bag. It's no bag right now. We're in the red, but it's all right. It's all right. Just back down 800. Pulling back here. Right there to the 9. I don't know, Kid Poker. If you're, I mean, this is an area where you could get a little bit of a pullback, maybe cover and find another entry. There's nothing wrong with taking the loss, right? I mean, we've talked about that. There's nothing wrong with eating a loss, as I've done several times today. So, nothing wrong at all with just taking the loss, taking the L. So we're in there on 3. See if it pushes back through the high. Trading in general, nah. I mean, it's fine. No, it's never too big of a loss to take at poker if you just take it off and then you can get back. You know, set you back 2-3 days, but 21,967. Yeah, I think we were looking at that 967 a couple of days ago. Yeah, Andy, we're long. Long off the 53. 3 minis. We're going to be heavy in this one, so this might pop it if it doesn't work. If we get tagged into the other ones. All right, tagged into the 4th one there at the 50. I wasn't sure we were going to get back down to that 45. That's why I took those higher entries, but it looks like we might. It's like we might get there. I'd be okay with not getting tagged in on the 5th one there. That'd be fine. Probably just take the 10 points off this one, though. Let me see. Something like that. Oh, I got one stop right there. I need to move that down. Oh. All right, now we're in. Oh, and we blew it. It tagged us in and blew it right away. That's rude. It could take no more. So yeah, just not holding there. What time is it? Yes, pulling back 86. What? Dun, 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 dun. What up, Pine Tree? It's okay. I mean, I just blew the one of the Elite Trader Funding 100Ks. Did pass 10 evals though, so we'll take that. Where's that equal lows down there at the 16? See if this thing wants to push lower here. .32 area, kind of that 50 area down there too. 50 EMA down there at the 32s. 11:01. All right, see if this thing dips to the data low here. It would be nice. Where's the data low at? All the way down there at 761. Probably not, but you never know. We hit the gray area. I saw that, Oracle. I saw that little triangle too on your thing, and I was long, and I was like, shit. But I saw it. I saw it. Didn't take it. You're hunting birds? Let's go. Yes, it did go up, Captain Price. Indeed. You got binoculars. uh, Looking interesting here. I'm going to go ahead and stab short here on an eval over here off stream. And put my stop maybe like 55. I'm going to go stop to break even at 30, back below the low, swing low there. Might just get wrecked here. It looks like we are. Let's see. See if we can hold that initial balance high there underneath. We got those triple equal lows down here at 15, 16 area. Stopping to break even here. Let's just see if this thing can run lower. It should at least take out that 16 area, I think, down here with these equal lows, but we are hitting this gap, so, and the 50. Second test of that 50, though, so we should be able to get through there. Come on, push it lower here. You can do it. Let's go. You see I'm in the trade. Stops at break even. Just look for that run through that 16. Should be able to get a little elevator here. And it wants to be rude. She could be a sweet girl and at least give us the push through the 16. I mean, that's what a sweet girl would do. Stopped out. Rude. Very rude. Well, I tried it. Do we leave equal lows here too? I don't know. I can't tell. Not there. Maybe there. Looks like they're off by a tick. No elevators allowed. Maybe. Was a little bit annoying it didn't make it through there. Was a little annoying. We'll try to be patient here and wait for a setup. That's all right, Dave Trade. We blew an account, but we did pass 10 evals. 10 out of 10 today. Nice. It's quite all right. And we did pass our Take Profit Trader 25K account. So we were very aggressive today on that elite trader funding. Not shocking that I blew it, to be honest with you. Nice job, Dave. Nice job. You can't lose if you don't trade. Yeah, true. You can't win either. Kid poker, I mean, it might work sometimes. Yeah, Tech T, I full ported 5 at open, and then I had the copier set up wrong, so I was trying to full port on the same accounts on 2 different charts. My bad. So we passed the first 5 by not hedging. We just picked long and it worked. And then I waited for a spot and passed the other 5. So, but we did fail 10 yesterday, so technically we're still 10 out of 20. Which is not bad. I'll take that. We'll take the 10 out of 20. We shall take it. All right, if we get back below the 50 here, I'm going to jump in. I probably could have jumped in up here, but just going to go 1. I'm going to go, it would just bounce as soon as I get in. It would. It would do that to me. Anyways, I was going to say I was going to go break even at that wick. I don't know whether I want to try to target these equal lows or not. I don't like my entry here. I'm going to go ahead and reduce the stop. Kind of need it to just go down now. Otherwise, we'll be down 140 bucks. All right, appreciate you, Ash. We'll see you later. Good morning, Live Prop. How you doing? We didn't really have any new accounts other than Elite Trader Funding. I blew one of those today, Live Prop. Fair guy, 822. Yeah, I see it. I do see it. We tapped into it here. I still think we run this wick at least. So that's why I was looking to take the short. I'm in probably later than I should be, but that's all right. Gonna go stop to break even down here at 828. Or I may just take this off here. I don't even know. Reduce the stop a little more here. I'm going to go stop to break even below this wick now. Created an internal. And so if we get below there, I'm just going to pull the stop on down. Reducing the stop even more here, down to 3 points. I don't love my entry, so that's why I'm doing this. Still trying to give it a chance to go if it doesn't turn back green, so. Alright, stop to break even basically. Want to see this thing run now. Alright, stop me out. It is what it is, just kind of grinding. Federal Reserve Powell testifies before Senate committee. Yes, he does. 1 hour candle is red to green. Small doji will be interesting. Favoring short. Yeah, neither of them are really moving here, to be honest. Really in a chop. Chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop. That's all right. Pushing back up here. Still not going down yet. Yeah, I don't know. Anybody pick up any take private trader accounts recently? Still got that 50% going on. Let's see. Yes, Barack, I have a code, man. Come on. You the man, anyway. I'll be trading mine tomorrow. We got one funded account from them. Oh, now I'd want to push lower. I guess I should have waited for it to hit that break even there. It hit the target too. So you the man, Andy. Appreciate you. Yeah, that's no. What can you do there? Wow. Yeah, Kid Poker. I don't know. I mean, we could grind lower. I mean, the NQ does still have the that data low down there. We are about to cross. I will take a 9-entry cross if we get it. I'll be right back, guys. Let me run in here for a second. All right, we're back. You just blew your chance at payout. Why? Because of your drawdown? You took the 9 touch at 10:30, went 8 points, was looking for 10, stop break even. 10:33. Let me see. Did I take that? Maybe. 10:33 there. No, here. I think I took that too. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I did. And then got stopped. I don't know. I think I got stopped break even too. I think that was a riskier one because it wasn't the first one. Tough for the first one, I guess, was, I don't know if this was actually a touch or not at 940. Might have been. Looks like it did, but it can be deceiving there, so I don't know. Even the problem here, like, I mean, it's not really a problem. I would say, like, do you have a clear draw? Well, you have equal lows here. So if we do get a 9 touch with the equal lows, we'll see. They're actually triple equal lows on the 30-second chart. Watch the start of the new 1-hour candle. 11:30. Yeah. Still feels like we're bullish here. It really does. But we are just kind of chopping around. ES certainly looks stronger. I just feel like if we get above that, like 46, 47 here, if we get above this, feels like we probably go. But could just reject this area too. Anybody got any idea when Trump speaks? Yeah, Kid Poker, that sucks, man. Hopefully it dumps for you. I don't know, though. I have no way of knowing. I don't know any more than you do. Wish I could say, yes, I think it will dump. But I just don't know. I just don't know, man. I don't know, brother. I don't know. Shorting 848. I don't think it's horrible. There's a little high volume node there, right? It could just dump right off that level. Yeah, Kid Poker, you're probably right, but we don't know for sure. A little chilly in here. Little chilly. The volatility has slowed down a little bit. What goes up must come down eventually. Not always, but eventually. Maybe. Maybe. Pushing its way above here. I mean, if it pops, we go. I think so too, impeccable. It's kind of what I'm watching, that area, considering my options here. Considering the options. Could reject here off this level too, though. Really could. My lean is it goes up, but I don't know. Literally can't be an up without a down. Well, it can sometimes. Ray thinks we go to the 900 level today. I mean, that seems reasonable. We're not very far away. Previous day high up there at 893. So, that could be Coper. This is a decent spot to short. I think the risk is pretty well defined. Put your stop right above that wick. I don't hate it, to be honest with you. Am I willing to take it, though? Probably not. Looks like we left equal highs, did we? High of this candle, 4775. 4775. Past 10, Vince. I did pass 10. I was thinking of taking the short here until I saw these equal highs. And now I don't want to take it. Actually kind of want a long. I'm going to keep this very tight. Risking, what, like 5 points, 6 points here. I mean, I could move my stop to down here. It's more logical. But I want to see us just get above these EMAs and go if we're going to run back to these equal highs. And I want this candle to be kind of big. I want to see some momentums. Momentums. And I'm going to go stop to break even, probably like 41-ish. Really, with the equal highs, I shouldn't even go break even, but a lot of times it'll stop me out. All right, come on. Let's get it. Is it this hard to get 10 points on Nasdaq today? My goodness. I'm watching the 50 hard here. If we lose that 50, then I might kill it. Then again, a couple times today, that's cost me, right? What up, Kelly? Very low volume? Yeah. A couple of times today, that's cost me, so just let it stop me out. Just look for a better spot. What up, Mikey? How's it going? Less than 2 minutes on the 1 hour candle. Done for the day after a few break evens. Nice. Break even's a good day. It's a good day. A very, very good day. You've waited all hour for this? What are we doing, Trev? What are we doing? I mean, I think we clean out that 48. That's way more obvious to me than the 816 area. But we'll see. $800 away from passing 100K Apex. Let's go, Loot. Nice job. Let's see if the ES retests the 83. Trev, I'm thinking of a long. So maybe one of us can make some money. Now, how's it not sweep the 816 there? Come on, man. I mean, it's not that important, but you would think it would want to sweep that. Let's go, Barack. 2K profit. Kid Poker, I'm about to take a long, man. Come on. I want it to drop for you, but still. I mean, we do have kind of some trend line liquidity built up there. There's the 830. Really didn't get much out of that. A little push up. But right at 800, there's 1 by 1 coming up. Interesting. All right. Kind of want to buy here. I'm going to try it. We'll risk 200. If we get stopped, it's okay. We'll just re-enter off the VWAP area. Just giving it a stab. Oh, Bulenox didn't fix it. Did you send him a message? You got to send him a message. They're not just going to do it for you without you asking. I'm going to go ahead and trail my stop up here. Kind of holding up there at the 9. I wanted to just push right through there, but all right, I'm going to go break even here. If we get through that 9, we can kind of spike higher. That thing took me out of one. Why does it do that? I'm copy trading 3 accounts, and it took me out of the position on one of them. So annoying. So I have to sit over here and hover over the close button. I heard an extra beep. So that means one of the accounts is not going to get the points from this. If it's a win. It's annoying. Yeah, they will respond, Gizno. Dragon new one. I do, John, and it still does it. I've done that before. It still does the same thing. I don't know why it does that. It doesn't do it every time. It's just like occasionally, but it's definitely annoying when it does it. And you know this trade's going to hit since it took me out of one of the positions. Yeah, I passed. Nets, we passed this morning. All right, we're now in a short. Let's take that off. Let's cancel this. It's a fucking this thing. All right. Okay. 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 You up against VWAP? You short, Trev? Oh, thanks, Nat. Yeah, I tried both ways, though, as far as like dragging it. It does the same thing. You passed one Topstep. Let's go. 18 points. Kid Poker, you'd only be down 5 if you had the stop loss set at 5, remember. Let me get back in here. Kind of want to take 2, to be honest. I'm going to go break even stop at 40.25 at that wick. We'll be up 8 points at that point. All right. Come on, rip it through there. It's just going to be dirty until it goes through there without me. It's so annoying. Let's go, Mikey. Nice job. Apex is Myth. M-Y-T-H, Nat. This is going to make me mad. I'm going to keep entering this, and it's just going to take my money and then rip right through there, you know? Yeah. Annoying. I should have took the 7 or 8 points each time. Yeah, Pine Tree, that's me. I'm doing it now. I guess I should cover this and then wait for a better entry. Just gonna put the stop down there, and we'll look for a better entry. Just gonna get out. All right, down 235. That's gonna. Come on, you piece of junk. Doing me dirty here. It's just what I talked about. All right, nice close above the EMAs there. They're kind of crossing. Going to end up being like a net zero with all the losses. He said since he got his girlfriend, Victoria, he doesn't need to care anymore. I don't know if he just was fat. Take Profit Trader 130 for the activation. 130. Oh. Oh, goodness. I'm trading this so stupid. I recognize that. Asking to be punished, to be honest with you. So I'm going to put a stop down here. And if it stops me out, I'm going to not... I actually don't even want it to stop me down there. If this thing pulls back into the EMA again and kind of gets right in that area below it, I'm just going to take it off. I'm going to go stop to break even above this wick here, 42. See if it can get above there. I might even just take the trade off there. I don't even know. It's one of those scenarios where you know where it's going to go, but you just keep chopping yourself up. Should just get in and put your stop at the low and be done with it. Right here, Yeah, just kind of a dumb, such a dumb spot to long. All right, it's got to go from here. Pulling the stop up to right there. 6 points. Yep, stop me out. That's just dumb. I deserve to be punished there for that. Down $600 now. Just stupid. Just stupid. It's just not a smart long. Excuse me. What are they saying? Danny didn't show up to his Discord. I guess that's what that's what Patrick's saying. He's got screenshots here. It's going okay, Caleb. Not happy how I've been doing here. What up, Yamil? Yeah, not happy how I've traded these accounts over the last few minutes. Just stupid. Went into too heavy, so I couldn't put my stop where I needed to be. And just not smart. Yeah, we are ranging. We're kind of in the middle of the range here. Still think we go up. So, what up, Jonathan? Nah, I'm not really done. No, I'm not tilting, Caleb. I mean, this is just one eval account. Well, I do have the copier on 2 other ones, but I've already passed 10. I just wanted to kind of get some work done on these. So, no tilting. I just recognized that that was a stupid trade. Probably should have killed it once I recognized that and look for like a better entry, right? But because your stop really has to be below this low here. It has to be. And I would like to have an extra contract on here to take a runner up to the high. But got to have your stop where you got to have it. And I guess we could put it there, to be honest. I could enter one. We'll see. See what happens here. Yeah, we got the macro coming up here in just a moment. I am actually going to go one more here. And I'll put, we're going to target higher on that one, the second one here. We'll target up there. So we'll do OCO one of those, and then put that one there. I think that's reasonable. So we'll take one off right there for 12 points, and then we'll target kind of that near the high of day for the runner. I think during the macro we run higher. But if we're wrong, we're wrong. We just take out this low. But this is a protected low technically, so it should be hard to get back to the low. No, I don't use the 5 minutes. It's too wide of a stop typically, but depends, Mikey. What are you using the 5 minute? How are you using it? I mean, our EMAs are just flat here. There's nothing going on. But I think the 62 area, yeah, that seems reasonable. Let's see if this thing can go. I don't know. Yes, no, maybe. I do think if we get above 40, 45, 47, really, we get through that double top there, I think we could see a pretty big candle. We'll see. Maybe it goes lower first. I don't know. But I don't think it does. Yes, kind of chopping right there, 88, 89 area. Next level up there, 93. Didn't touch it. So we'll see if it wants to push or not. What do we got on our daily loss limit? All right, we got a little bit. Got 3 minutes here until, well, actually 2 minutes until we hit the macro. We want it to go up. I know Kid Poker's short, but we want it to go up. I'm still trying to pull back. President's Day holiday coming up. Looks like. Alright, well that's not the reaction that we were looking for. But we're just going to hold it. Keep our stop in the same spot. We'll see what happens. If it loses, we lose. We just accept it. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, that's funny. Oh. Oh. Oh, I don't like that 803 level. It could be seeking that area. All right, let's see what kind of reaction we get here. Oh, there they go. Daily loss limit it is. I thought we had a little more room than that. I guess we didn't. All right, we hit the daily loss limit. Lovely. Might send a Bulenox here. We have a Bulenox. We have one? I thought I had a couple of reset. I guess maybe I didn't. I don't see them. We will be sending some Bulenox tomorrow, guys. So we did the 10 Apex today. We'll do probably 10 Buleys tomorrow. They're 83% off. Actually, no, I won't do 10. I'll do 8. Yeah, we'll do 8. So, you needed $50 today, then flip trade tomorrow, get 700 payout. Now it's all gone. Yeah, well, it's coming back now in Kid Poker. We'll get through that 83. I mean, this thing could just continue lower. Oh, thanks, Amelia. I mean, it's not that big a deal. We hit the daily loss limit. It's okay. Stupid trading. I mean, like when you stay stupid, when you trade stupid, you get stupid prizes, right? So, like, just trying to go for equal highs just randomly with no setup, that's dumb. It is dumb. We know it's dumb, and we still did it. So, it's okay. I was trying to see if I had a Bewley to just send, but I don't think I have one. I think this would be a good, decent spot for a bounce. Yeah, but you can just trade 8 more days, Kid Poker. Oh, you got out for a small loss and you were right. Yeah, Troy, if you said short, you had it. You had it pegged. I don't know that we may get much further than this, though, but this would be a good 9 bounce trade here. I think this will be a great 9 bounce trade. I actually like a long off this area too, especially with the equal highs. That's what I should have waited for. Kind of dumb. Should have waited because the ES is at a key level 2. Happy Lunar New Year. Thank you, thank you. This will probably be the spot where it bounces. Maybe not. So go into the VWAP. Kind of popping through initial balance high there too. Might be going to the VWAPs. Say it, 786. Interesting area. For sure. It's the VWAP. I actually think it might make it through the VWAP now. This might be going for those data lows, guys. Kid Poker, this could be your time, man. You got the data low down here. I think this thing just rips through the VWAP. I don't even think it stops. Let's get over to Bewley. Mark these highs. Mark that data low out. Head to that data low most likely. Bounce off the VWAP. Re-short area 807. I think it would be decent area there. See if we get our account before then. I don't know. Remember, typically doesn't hold below the first push, so I would expect to push back into the 810 area. So let's see. Long and 783. I would normally wouldn't hate it, but like with this wick down here, I think we're taking that wick. I could be wrong, but of course we could be wrong. Have to disconnect right quick. Disconnect and reconnect. See if we get the account. Nope. We're gonna dump here. We are gonna dump. Mean reversion 830. 830 maybe. Probably took 65 trades this morning trying to complete an eval, results plus $85. Yeah, Coach Fred, we've all been there. We've all been there. Every one of us. I mean, I think this 9 play is going to be really good. Unfortunately, I don't have an eval to take it on yet because Bulenox is not giving me my eval yet. Took you 6 trade to get $20 to get to payout. Oof, that sucks. I mean, this thing didn't quite give you the 9, but I think this thing runs into the 760. I don't see a reason for it not to. But we'll just have to watch it. We do not have our account. Probably it'll give you like, I mean, like if we get this, you know, and then you get a really good opportunity back to that, that makes the most sense. That's why it's so stupid. This longing up in here that I did was so dumb. Forgetting the data low was even below. So like, even though you do have a good draw on liquidity to the upside, the draw lower is higher, right? It's probably stronger because it's a data wick. What up, Stock Tiger? You are back. So we'll see what we get. Tomorrow we will be back with 10 funded accounts, so we'll be trading those. I'm going to trade the 50K slightly different than how I did the other one. Still 1 trade per day, but I am going to go with a 15-point stop loss, 1 mini, and 15-point take profit. That's what I'm going to do. 1 to 1. Still no account. Nothing I can do. 24-hour stream. Holy cow. That's... I've done the 12-hour stream. The 24-hour stream is to be insane. We got the account. Let's go. So we'll short 1 here, and then I'll put in another up here if we get it. And so something like that. I don't mind a bounce back into the 9. Might blow this as fast as we get it. Stock said it's never going to happen. We did blow it, Andy. Yeah. We did indeed. Kept trying to do stupid. I don't know. We traded dumb this morning. That's just how it is sometimes, right? Elite Trader Funding, Stock Tiger. I mean, this is going to here. Like, this is a scenario where I know it's going there. It's obvious at this point. I would be shocked if it doesn't. How do you buy a new account for Bulenox from the dashboard? You just go to his account. When you pass, you don't do anything on Hell. You go to the account dashboard and go to account sign up. If you hover at the very top, it says, the one to the right says account sign up. You click on account sign up and then you enter the code, the coupon code, and you pick the account you want. There'll be no going to break even on this one because it should just go. So Donovan's taking that as advice. All right, take it, Donovan. Write it down. In fact, Donovan, let's get it in there. There we go. I got it in there, didn't I? I put it in the wrong spot. There we go. And I'll still add here. If this comes back to the VWAP, I'm still adding. So this is a much more logical trade. The other stuff I took this morning is stupid. But that's all right. See? Tom Sabo never fails. Tom Sabo never fails. Calling the Lamborghini dealership now. Let's go. I like it. Watch it keep dumping. It might. You don't do nothing on Hill. They will send you a. They will send you an invoice to pay. Yes, yes, we're 1 out of 10, baby. Yes. Don't fade me, bro. Yeah, Trev, now that I forgot this was here when you were talking about shorting. I completely forgot that that data low was there. Because it was, so, it's from 10 a.m., which feels like forever ago. 2 hours ago. You predict a 60K month? Yeah, at some point this year for sure, but not this month. Not this month, but at some point, yeah. I think so. We still haven't touched the 9, right? But that would be a scary play now because we've kind of cleared out liquidity. So, I mean, if you're watching Oracle's, stream, it hit his area and then told you, it gave you a reversal signal here. And that signal printed on this candle. So it gave you that signal up in the 850s, 860 area. And look at that. All the way down to the 17s. I was long when it gave that signal, but what can you do? I was already long. It's on until the 19th, Mark. Looks like we're in a sell model here. Like we're just going to probably make our way all the way back down to the lows. Can ES get to 67? Man, Kid Poker. Kid Poker, man. Why? I mean, I know I do stupid stuff too sometimes. A lot of times. I really do. I admit it. This is Mancini's support zone. This is literally his support zone. You shorted right into it. So if I were looking for a bounce, that's where I would be looking for a price to bounce out of, which is exactly what happened. if I used his levels. I like to use his levels and structure my trades on the Nasdaq with them. I don't typically use them to take trades, but maybe I need to start doing that. Maybe that's what I need to start doing. He said if we went into 60, yeah, well, if it breaks, we would dip. But I think what he's saying, though, like, Kid Poker, like, when you're looking at it like that, when you're looking at the structure of something like that, that would be like you had here, where price dips below it, holds, and then kind of pushes back up and retest. So, like, that would be a short area. With a stop, though, 5 points, right? 5 points, it goes back up, then you get out. You're stopped out for 5 point loss, or you take your 5 point winner, which it gave, you know, and then once it breaks back above and consolidates above, then that's very bullish. I see what you're saying here, how this kind of knifed back down into it, but you really got to wait for it to close below, build structure, then take the short, kind of like it did here. But I don't know. I trade stupid. Like, I take dumb stuff. I do dumb stuff a lot myself, so a lot. In hindsight, it's kind of easy to see, right? But in real time, not as easy. You're a fan of Kid Poker. You're a little weird. I like Kid Poker. 550 away on a 150K tech private trailer. Let's go. Treat him like a drill sergeant, a Marine drill sergeant. Yeah, ES is below the VWAP now. And it was below then too. You are correct. It did sneak below it. You nailed this entry but didn't hold it. Nice Trev. All right, we're at the pivot point. This thing's still going lower. Too late to short now. Of course. Kid Poker, man, you are about to get back to your entry, brother. If I were you, I'd drag my stop down to 77. You're short from 67. If it gets back above 77, I wouldn't want to be in it anymore, because that would put you back above the VWAP as well. So risk 10 points. Leave it at 10. If you get stopped, who cares? You know what I mean? I know you said what stop. What stop? All right, 0 Day J. What stop? 0 day Kid Poker. Nothing, Citizen Zero. We just sold off. I don't know. I traded so dumb this morning. I tried a short here, which I don't hate that short. I did say before this short, I thought we needed one more manipulation leg higher, right? And that's exactly what we got. And I just didn't. I don't know. I didn't trade that very well at all. Still no 9 touch here in all of this. It does look like we're in a sell model, so I think we at least run the opening print down here at 700. So let's see if we can find a spot to jump in on that. We'll see. Can't lose if you don't have a stop. That's true too. Where is that line from? What line? What line are we talking about, Coach Fred? The line, oh, from 0 Day J. What stop? Topstep TV. They're like, where your stop at? Where your stop at, 0 Day J? Yeah, that's an EMA, Kid Poker. You're devoted to moving to Thailand or even Colombia to pimp out all the hookers and open my own weed shop. All right, Yamil. All right, man. Go for it. All right, we're tagged in here. Whenever you feel like you have a shot at souping something or catching a reversal, would you just stab one micro to be? You could, Tom. I mean, it would probably make more sense. This is Naz. Is this you in another account? Come on, man. How many accounts you got? How many accounts you got? Yeah, one micro is fine. I think it's fine. I appreciate all the subs from all the accounts. We're up 10 points on this trade. I should probably throw the stop in here. Let's do that. We'll put the stop just above that swing there that we just created. I'm telling you guys, if you're not paying attention to the first 9 touch after this big spread out, after we get spread out like that, like a 45-degree angle, I mean, this thing is very solid for 10, 12 points at least. Now, you know, obviously sometimes it's not going to work, but all right, we'll lock in a little green here. 5 points. Life is no Nintendo game. That's why they call it window pane. Actually, I'm going to go back to break even. Because now the 9's moved lower, so we'll kind of use that as a little protection. Oh, you're using it on the 30-second, Coach Fred? Interesting. I haven't checked that out. Oh, you have 3? You got a new Android recently changed butt face tag. Oh, I got you. You have 3 PAs and got the account successfully liquidated message in Rhythmic, but the account balance is like 150 from auto liquidate. That's weird. I wonder why, Citizen. It might have been the slippage. The slippage that might be why you're still seeing 150. Winter Circle Trader on the Xbox. Oh, I got you. And all I'm targeting here is the opening candle, guys. The opening wick. So we opened up, pulled back. That's all I'm targeting there. Initial balance low, if you will. It's funny how when you get off the accounts that matter, the trades start working. Yeah, ES is approaching like an area of support too. If we can get back below this pivot point here, I will lock in some. You're creative. Yeah, why not? Yes, of course. Of course, Naz the Dragon. Winter Circle Trader. I don't know, there's a couple of more too. Market did go off, Michael. It went off and took my money. But we did pass 10 evals, actually 11 with our Take Profit Trader. So tomorrow we will have 11 funded accounts. It's going to cost me some money. You're going to see the expenses go up. They're going to go up about $2,000-ish, which hurts. It hurts Methodical's wallet, but it must be done. And now we're going to concentrate on getting 4 more Take Profit Traders. I really want to get 3 My Funded Futures. I might just stop at 10 Apexes for now. We'll see. No, I can't trade another person. Can you have 11? Yeah, you can have 5 with Take Profit Trader. And then obviously I'd like to get some more with Bulenox. I said I'm going to short the close. You did. Trev, I said one of us will win. You were supposed to hold yours. You were the winner. Come on, guy. You have almost 10 Apex close to passing, so I'm spreading the cost. Let's go. Nice job. All right, I do think I'll lock some in here. Maybe like 7 points. Get a child. It's amazing how easy it is to hold losers and hold winners for 2 minutes. Seems like forever. Yeah. If I were you, Kid Poker, I'd probably put my stop now at 75. I'm just saying. That's me. Then you're only risking 8 points. I don't see a reason for ES to get below your entry at all. I'm just being honest. I think ES, if it gets back to your entry, is going to bounce right away. So take that for whatever you want to take it for. That's my opinion. Locking in 5. Yeah, it's gonna get me. Do your code still work because it's not doing nothing? What code, Angel? For the time sable guarantee was smashed. For Bulenox, it should. Are you on Bulenox? Capital M, capital M. Nice job, Coach Fred. No more. 83%. Capital M, capital M. Option 1 accounts only. Option 2, you need to use MM. Use the other one. If you're trying to use option 2, you need to use MM1 for 75% off. Over and out. Only goes up. Yeah, I mean, this could be a good spot. ES back above the VWAP here. I don't love it, Kid Poker. I'd probably be killing this thing. Most. Oh, MM2? Yeah, MM1. Use MM1. Or MM1. One of those. Depends on what account you're getting. Yeah, Yamil, we are. We want to make money trading, but it's not that serious, right? I don't love this bounce on the ES at all. It did not make it back to the 70. I think it will still come back. I might try a little. Thought about trying a little cheap short here. But it actually probably makes more sense to try a long. Oh, let me check something. I'm gonna try a little stab long. A little stab long back up to the 780s, 775s. Something like that. I'm going to go break even, probably 62. I think it's 62, drop in the break even stop. Because that's going to hit that little imbalance there. We don't really know what's going to happen there. So let's see if it runs through it or not. Up almost 10 points there. Rip it up there, brother. Let's go. Probably shoots a 90. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, Trev. 75, 80 area. I probably should not put the stop in at break even, though, to be honest. It's probably too close. It probably is too close. I'm gonna give it room. Your thoughts create your reality, so if you really want to become successful, profitable, consistent scalper, then absolutely don't count. Yeah, you can make it happen for sure. What's your plan? My plan is to go to the moon. That's the plan. Man, do we go all the way back up to those equal highs at 847? Do I just target those? I don't know. We were at initial balance low, so maybe back to range. It could be. Yeah, IBL held down here. I mean, we left those nice set of equal highs up there. Do I target those? I think I'm just going to take it off at 76, and we'll see what happens from there. This is like the low-hanging fruit. Take profit. It's below all this consolidation. And we're going to go ahead and lock some in here. We are getting into that consolidation area. It could turn back down here. So locking in 15, 17. Pop it. Pop it. Pop it. Just going to take it right there. Then it pops it. Of course. I mean, I do think this is an excellent draw, but it depends on what happens right here with the ES if it gets back to that area. It could just, we could see a bigger run here. I mean, if you're an OTE trader, you're getting paid right now because, I mean, this thing just tapped right into this and it ripped out of there. Kid Poker, tell me you got out of that. Tell me you got out of that, Kid Poker. You didn't get out of that. Come on, man. I told you, man. I told you. I don't see it. I don't see it getting any lower. This is a strong rejection wick on the 1 hour. Yeah, I mean, this will be a fantastic draw on liquidity here. If the ES pops 83, then I think 100% we go to 847. And I will start looking for some sort of long entry into that area. Probably should have held, but I wasn't quite sure what was going to happen here at the VWAP. After the market moves so much every day after I shut down at 10 a.m. is annoying. Yeah, for real, Key Amber. I mean, you see this move, like, I don't know. I was just trying to long up here, though. Long, and then, I don't know. And it just comes down. We did get a part of the short. A small part of it, but we're up $927 on this one eval, so doing all right. Yeah, top X. You don't know what's going to happen, right? Confirmation for shorts, though. First, like a big red elephant bar. Yeah. Well, maybe long that 750. If you really want to know. Right here, we pushed above the comma on the, this is Trader Oracle's thing. We got a buy dot. We're above the comma. So, simple. That's what made me buy. Just saying. Also, the ES kind of had gotten back above the VWAP right here. Closed above the VWAP. Almost tagged the buy area. So, that's the reason I got in. You can watch that stream for free on Trader Oracle's channel every single day. Keep it simple. But it's not financial advice from Trader Oracle. Your penis will fall off. You gotta use the disclaimer there with Trader Oracle. That is his actual disclaimer, if you guys did not know. Your penis will fall off. So if you don't have one, no worries. You're good to go, Amelia. I know, Kid Poker, but it's not always going to give you the break even that you want. I think you could have reduced that down to like 8 points. So I don't know what happens if you don't have one. I have no idea. Can't help you with that. Can't help you with that. We'll have to get Oracle to give an update on that one. Oh, nap, Scamber. Oh, yeah, I love a nap. I love a good nap. What we could do is if we leave these here, this will probably be my plan. If we leave these here, and then you get the 9 above the 50, you get these spread back out. We can take a 9 bounce and target the equal highs. So let's do that. So let's wait for the 9 and the 21 to cross above the 50. Let's get a nice spread out. Leave us the 847. Nice 9 touch. We'll take it. If we don't get that, we just wait. You like to binge eating a nap? Yeah. Yeah, Kid Poker, good news for you is ES is rejecting the 8250 area right now, which is initial balance high, but it looks a lot stronger than the Nasdaq does. It looks very strong here. We in fact have a bullish SMT here with ES and Nasdaq. Right? No, actually, no, we don't. Do we? 1008? Yes, we do. It's from here, though. So you can see that wick right there. Nasdaq took that 1008 wick out. ES had already taken out the data low. So ES never got back below that area. So you had a bullish SMT there as well. It's kind of an oddball SMT, but it's hard to see, but it's there. Two minutes, let's see. But you can see how much further the Nasdaq went below this wick, and ES didn't even run it. I could long here off the VWAP. We are kind of consolidating here, but I think the smarter play is going to be to wait for the 9 to cross, 9 and 21 to cross, and take the pullback. We are also at the 90 area. Get a lot of 90 drama. A lot of drama in that 90 area. I mean, look right here. 90 area. Drama. Want to see the 5 minute? All right. Held this huge 5 minute gap. I mean, to me, it still looks very bullish. This kind of is an important area here. Let's mark this out. Kind of an important area there on the 5 minute. Close above that, we certainly run the 847. Excuse me. Short it. I mean, I do think we touched the imbalance at 802 at least, 801, whatever, that area. The 800, that's going to be an important area. I mean, you could get this. I mean, it very well could, right? And then go back up. I mean, this is Nasdaq that we're talking about, but I don't know. It's probably far more likely that we do that. We'll see. I don't know. We shall see. Yeah, the EMA is getting, non-EMA getting above the 50 there. Let's wait for that 21 to cross. Again, we'll see what kind of reaction we get at the whole number here. Uh, 5 minutes, Coach Fred. It's a 5 minute imbalance. You're long this candle? All right. Good luck, sir. We are above the line in the sand here on Oracle's chart. Yeah, Kid Poker, we're back above 83. I don't love it. I don't like it. You do have it marked as well from 5-minute yesterday. Oh, nice. I am hungry. Saints hiring Eagles OC Kellen Moore as their head coach. So if you're a Saints fan, there you go. Yeah, I stream live every day, Morty. You got your payout approved from Tradeify. Does anyone know if they send you a payout method info, or am I missing something? Yeah, Pine Tree, I saw that Plane, they have Plane now. I'm glad you said that. I need to sign up for Plane. 9 bounce long. Zach, it's too early. It's too early to take the 9 bounce because the 21's still below the 50. Now, it is at the VWAP, so I don't hate it. And I am kind of thinking of looking for longs here. So you could take it, but I would wait for it to get above the... Wait for the 21 and the 9 to get above and spread out a little more. Where are you from, Morty? Oh, they used to be on Rise. Yeah, I got an email from them last week to switch over to Plane for the affiliates, and I forgot to do it, so I need to do it now. Oh, let me log into my email and do it that way. They sent me a link, so it'll be easier. Where's my email at? I was going to say, what? Invalid password. Come on, man. I don't know the password. Just send me a code. Send me a code. Anybody else forget their passwords that easy? I don't know the password. S1 pivot, got a little resistance. Australia. Let's go, Morty. I want to go to Australia. You have a lot of trouble? Oh, this is not Plane. This is just my email. I'm supposed to be sending me a 6-digit code, but... Oh. I selected the wrong thing. Yeah, I don't think I've ever used Plane. I could be wrong, though. Maybe. Dash for your account number. You have to write the password down. Let's go. Password. Wait. Where am I? Yeah, that's me. Sign in with your fingerprint. No. All right, we're losing the VWAP here, guys. That's why I said this first 9 touch I wouldn't go for. ES is also rejecting the 83. That's good for you, Kid Poker. It's very good for you, Kid Poker. All right. Start setup. 750 next support. Yeah, I tend to agree. That kind of lines up with the VWAP. What? I'm not going to use your suggested password. Get out of here. Okay. You got to be kidding me, man. Get back above the VWAP here. This thing might rip. Ugh. This is annoying. It makes me put a 12 password. What up, Peter? I love Q. Jackson won his first baseball game of the year last night. They won 18-10. He went 1 for 4 with a walk, 2 stolen bases, and he scored a run. Or 2 runs. He didn't strike out any, so he put the ball in play. I was happy about that, but he did not strike out. I'm not going to tell you guys what that says there. It kind of made me chuckle, though. Oh. You're back along with the internet. Let's go. You've made a new rule for yourself. If you don't get any cardio, light workout, why not eat breakfast? Man, I got to eat. That's a good rule, though. Yeah, he did good. They it's their first game, so they were actually down 6-0 after the first inning. And I thought to myself, repeat of last year, but then they pulled it out. So I don't understand what this thing wants me to do. This is so stupid. Nothing to do here, guys. I'm just waiting. Get above VWAP. I want to see it. Like, I'm waiting for a 9, some sort of 9 play. So it's kind of what I'm waiting on here. Try to take it back to those equal highs. So stupid. Where's Husk? I don't think so. He normally gets off around noon. So, yeah, exactly, Coach Fred. So I didn't want a long there. It's like so much consolidation. All right, well, I don't know. I just signed on to this plane thing, and it didn't tell me to do much. Like, just put my personal information in, and that's it. I don't know what else you want from me. It says, sign your contract. Your contract is being prepared. So I'm assuming that they haven't sent that stuff yet. Okay. What up, Coach Carlos, the poker player? Poker player Carlos. Rules for Bulenox. In funded, don't go over the 40% consistency. Trade 10 days. Use consistent sizing. That's it. Consistent sizing. I haven't seen anybody get denied for that. Don't copy between Bulenox and other prop firms. I haven't seen anybody get denied for that either. So, Ormond Beach Bridge. Oh, 30-pound weight vest. Oof. Yeah, I need to do some cardio too. For sure. Kind of interesting here. Considering a short. I mean, we pushed back up into that 50% mark. Not really clear, though. I'm going to wait. We'll be patient. See what we get. They got convoluted. Yeah, no problem, Greg. They have a nice loop. You really like Tape Private Traders rules, being able to take withdrawals from day one. Haven't made it there, but it sounds good. Yeah, Barack, me too, man. I want to get 5 of those accounts and get that there. But short from 78, you want to hold this? I mean, we're in one of those spots, Coach Fred, where like I could kind of see it going either way. My lean is still up, but I've been wrong a lot today. Equal lows. Value area low, 719. Do we have equal lows? Where? Do have that shaved bottom there. I am pretty tempted to long here. But I hate doing that into VWAP. I'm going to wait. Leslie, Bulenox, their payout structure is you can get paid every 10 days, basically. You request on Friday, they remove it from your account on Monday, and you get the money on Tuesday. That's typically the way that I do it. Goodbye, profits. Nah, Coach Fred, you're good. Oh, you got top ticked? Oh, you missed that. You got to stop below the VWAP? Do have that strange divergence still between the ES and the Nasdaq. Style Danny, you think I gamble like Danny? Nah, he trades big size. He trades very big size. At least what I know of him, anyway. Holy cow, it's almost 1 o'clock. I didn't realize it was that late. Oh, I trade a single contract. Nas, he trades like 10 minis, 15 minis. I typically trade just one, unless I'm being aggressive. Yeah, he trades crazy number. Easy to do on demo, right? I don't know. He made 100K or something like that in 1 or 2 days on Topstep last year, right? Isn't that the same guy? So, yeah, I guess it could be considered. Oh, you know what? The short actually looks kind of good here. I think I'm going to take it. Should I? I just got Trader Oracle speaking in my head over here. You know, he's not actually speaking to me in the head. I'm just saying. So, my Max is barking. I'm trading too small size. Well, I'm just thinking like we're over here. I'm looking at Oracle's chart, and I hear him say all the time in his review videos, like, "Oh, we're hanging curtains off the comma," and that's what we're doing right there. So it looks like a short. Looks like a short. Why not? Your TPT eval getting cooked? Well, at least it's just an eval, right? I think we could get a little red candle here. Thinking I'll go break even probably 62. 62 area. No dots. Yeah, I know there's no dots. I'm just thinking out loud here, though. There's a 9 touch. Not really spread out, but I would like to see it hold below it. We did cross back under. I don't consider that a first touch. Almost longed at 90, and lightning fast knocked the power out. Water fasting, probably a good idea. I mean, the refusal to go higher here, kind of rejecting that area. I don't know. I don't think it's that bad. Might be in a little late, but that's okay. Just be patient with it. Watch the ES when it gets to the VWAP down there, a couple of points. So, yeah, it is lunchtime chop. All right, 1 minute until the macro time here. I still think it's kind of 50-50 here, Coach Fred. This still could push up. I just take a stab. I mean, really are ranging. The better short entries, obviously, where my stop is up there at 82. It would be a better short entry for sure. Macro, last 10 minutes of the hour, first 10 minutes, Gabriel. Pushing up. What made it drop at 10:50? So 9:50. I'm at 9:50 Eastern. Oh, that was news at 10 a.m. Eastern. We had Papa Powell news. Papa Powell was talking. Gabriel, price tends to run to liquidity during the macro time. So it tends to try to run to liquidity in the final 10 minutes of the hour or the first 10 minutes. So if you just pay attention to it, you'll see that. Now this is a lunch macro, so it's probably not as strong, but you know. So we'll see kind of what happens. Hey, Steve Joker, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You demand. Oh, you don't like being in trades during that hour, Yamil? That's when I liked being in trades that time. Just yell at the trade and work in your favor. Yeah. 11:48. I don't trade a personal account right now, B-Rock. I have one, but I don't trade it. NQ in slow mode, yes. What up, Steve? How you doing today? All right. I'm going to go break even at around 62, like we said. So right there. And I'm picking the 50 level. I actually might front run that a little. Actually, you know what? I'm going to take it right here. I'm just going to take it right there. I expect the bounce in this area. It may not, but ES is right there at the VWAP, so it very well could. Let's see if it would have hit my target. Probably. Third time's the charm, yeah. Do I ever use the Dom? No, Steve, I don't. I think it's okay to use the Dom, though. I don't pay for level 2, so the Dom would kind of be irrelevant for me. But I don't see anything wrong with using the Dom, certainly if it helps you. Certainly if it helps you, then I think the Dom's perfectly fine. We're up 1,048 on this one eval here right now. We'll walk this road together. I still don't consider this a touch yet. These are not spread out enough. Like this is spread out. This is not. Gym time. All right, appreciate you, Michael. Let's see what Maxie's doing. What are you doing, Max? Sleeping? $781 equal highs. Yeah, I guess it is, huh? Are they though? I don't think I have those as equal. 781.50. They're off by a tick. I do have equal highs up there at 847, which is pretty nice looking. 15,000 steps. All right, you may well get it. Get it. I'm going to go with 15,000 snores. Oh. Goodness. Are we going to bounce? This price action's dead, guys. Let's be honest. It's not doing anything. I think I'm just going to go ahead and call it there. I mean, nothing's going on, right? Your dog is snoring too. Let's go. I'm just going to go ahead and call it there. Walk away. So we did pass 10 Apex evals. We blew Elite Trader Funding 100K account. We hit the daily loss limit on 3 MyFunded Futures accounts, just evals. And we passed the 10 Apex, 1 Take Profit Trader. So tomorrow we'll be back to 11 funded accounts tomorrow. So 9:15 a.m. We'll see you guys then. If you're green, lock it in. We are up 1,048 on that eval. So that's how we're finishing the day. Some good, some bad. We'll take it. And we will be back tomorrow. Blue who? I don't know. Bewley? Remember, Bulenox 83% off. You want to support the channel. Apex 80% off. 50% off Take Profit Trader. 25% off experts accounts on My Funded Futures. And Tradeify, I think, is 30% off. And who are we forgetting? Fideas is still 80% off. I know I'm forgetting somebody. I always do. Who are we forgetting? Tradeify, Tick Trader. Yep, they're having a sale. Day Traders. No, Day Traders is 80% off, not Fideas. Day Traders is still 80% off. My code's still good for the 80% off. Some people's codes aren't because there are only 1,000 uses. But anyways, we'll check you guys next time. We'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.